Hey everybody, these are the ingredients that you need to make a brownies cookies. First you need 2 eggs, dark cooking chocolate, butter, flour, wheat flour, and caster sugar, and bits of almonds. And we are preparing to make a double boil, a special process that you need to make when you need to do a brownies cookies. So what I mean by doing a double boil is, first you switch on the flame, and inside the pot you have water, and you wait for it until it boils, and then you put on top a wok or something that is flat that will not slip away from the pot, and then you put in the dark cooking chocolate as well as the butter. So the point of doing this double boil is to melt ingredients without burning them. So as you can see, the butter and the dark cooking chocolate has starting to melt. There is still a chunk of the chocolate there, but we are still trying to melt it. As well as some butter. You can see a bit of butter there still needs to be melted. So now we are going to shift the melted ingredients into this bowl here. Let's do it. So now we put the caster sugar into the bowl. Yep. And then of course you have to prepare your hand whisk first, right? And next, gonna put in the 2 eggs, yolks and whites all inside there. And then the vanilla essence, 1 small cap of vanilla flavorings, and then we whisk it off, mix it up, break the egg yolk. I think I better let my wife do it because I don't have the skill yet. Like that. Or if you are doing for a large volume, you can use the electric mixer, which we have, but since we are just making it for 4, just might as well use a hand whisk. So just now we have used the electric mixer, and now for fine tuning we use the hand whisk to make sure that there are no lumps or anything like so inside there, right? Make sure that the mixing is fine. We also has prepared the baking powder from King's to be used in a little while. So you just did that much of baking powder. Put it in the mixture and goes in the wheat flour, about a cup of wheat flour, and continue to mix it. And now we put in our melted chocolate mixture with the butter. Looks like you just can poke a straw in there and start drinking it, right? I'm so tempted to do that, but I can't do that because today is the first day of Ramadan. We are fasting. So mix it up. So actually we are doing this to celebrate the first day of the breaking fast together. So this is going to be the dessert. Mix it up, honey. Mix it up, honey. So once the mixture is well mixed, right? So it's now time to put it inside a piping bag. So once you put it in a piping bag, you're going to keep it in the refrigerator until it's get cold. So the reason that we put the piping bag into the fridge after we've put in the melted chocolate mixture is so that the mixture will be a little bit solidified, and it makes it easier to be squeezed on to this silicone mat. This is called the silicone mat. Firstly, we put it on like that. It doesn't look good, I know, but later we're gonna use a spoon and even it all up. So with a spoon, whether it's plastic or metal, you do this, yeah? You just even it up and fill up until the mixture reaches the edges of the circular shapes that is already on the silicone mat, like so. So after we fill in all of the circles in the silicone mat, on the silicone mat, we put on the almond bits like so. One almond bit on top of each of the circular mixture that we put on the silicone mat. And then we're going to put it in the oven for 10 minutes with 160 degrees Celsius. Set the temperature to 160 Celsius, and the flame should be from the top and the bottom. There they are, cooking in the oven. Smells so good. There you are, guys. Cute, huh? This is our first attempt, so we need to figure out the sizing. Like this one is too small, this one is too big, right? That's always the first time. So with this silicone mat, what you do is just lift them up and then shake, and then look, each of the biscuits or the cookies just crumble down by itself. It doesn't stick to the silicone mat because it is made out of silicone, and it's ready to eat.